We are doing a sound test of this Mi Portable Bluetooth speaker and this Realme Pocket Bluetooth speaker in this video now. Hi guys, great day. This is Ryan. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification icon so you will be updated every time we upload. And today we are doing a sound test of this Mi Portable Bluetooth speaker right here. So we have unboxed this and also versus this Realme Pocket Bluetooth speaker right here. So all the sounds that you're about to hear are raw and unfiltered. Alright, so let's do this. We're gonna do the sound test now. So let's start with the Realme or the Mi wireless Bluetooth speaker right here. So let's power it on right there and it connects. And now let's listen to the sound test. So that's it. Let's turn it off. And now let's shift to this Realme Pocket Bluetooth speaker. Powering on, and let's do the sound test.
sustainer of all the world. The best is coming.
Alright, so tell me what you think. Which one sounds better? This Mi wireless Bluetooth speaker or the Realme Pocket Bluetooth speaker? Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one. Bye guys.